lot of people tell me that they want to grow some natives in the backyard, like gum trees and all those sorts of trees, you know, the bottle brush, all that kind of thing. And they think it's a real hard thing to do. But really, it's one of the easiest things you can grow in your garden today. So I went out and I got one. This is a red gum. It's going to have a red flower on it. It's going to look really good when it gets big. But yeah, really easy to grow. Now I found the perfect spot for this little red gum. It's right here where this other native died a horrible, horrible death. So what you generally want to do is find a spot for it, then grab a shovel, dig one side, dig the other side, chuck it in, pull it out, get rid of that other root system of the other failed native, dig another hole, make sure the sand's pretty close by. Grab this bad boy, turn him upside down. You have the root system, grab the top of the root system, get a little bit of it out so the roots go into the ground instead of being bunched up in here. Chuck a bit more sand back in because you've dug out too much. Chuck him in like so. Chuck your sand in like this. Realise gradually that you've actually removed the root system, which made a big hole in the ground. There's not enough sand to fill it back in, and panic. Well, it's not the worst situation in the world. My backyard's got holes in it anyway from my dogs, so we're just gonna steal some sand from back here. As we bunch it around it, like so. Like I said, really easy to plant in. Don't need any special soil because it's a native, so they're pretty chill. In fact, they actually get sad if you give rich soil, they'll die. So you pump them in like this, put a little well like this. And all the well does is when you get rainfall, not that we get much rainfall, it'll go into that little well and make the little thing grow well. And there's a stick that I prepared earlier. Put the stick behind them where the wind comes from, which is coming from that way. Chuck that in like that. The stick will support him. Usually you chuck some tyres on it, but I forgot to get some tyres. Yeah, there you go. Bloody job done.